Every week, developers release new open-source tools that improve how we build, automate, and manage software systems. This weekly update highlights top trending open-source and best dev tool projects this week, so you can quickly discover useful tools without spending hours searching. From AI coding assistants to workflow automation and knowledge tools, these projects are gaining attention in the open-source community. Without wasting time, let's get started.
Welcome back to Manu AGI Tutorials. Here, we explore the exciting world of AI, latest AI tools for you, so don't forget to hit that subscribe button and the notification bell so you don't miss out on the latest AI insights. So let's start today's video.
Project number 1, Archon, Knowledge Backbone for AI Coding Assistants. Archon is an open-source operating system for AI coding assistants that helps developers manage project knowledge, tasks, and retrieval workflows in one place. It acts as a local knowledge and task management layer with RAG support and MCP-based IDE integration, allowing coding agents to share context across tools and sessions. The system is designed for local deployment and works well for teams building agent-driven development workflows with persistent project memory. This matters for developers who need structured context across AI coding tools. Try Archon in your local AI dev workflow. Project number 2, Multica, Native Desktop Client for Coding Agents. Multica is an open-source native desktop application that brings coding agent workflows into a visual interface. It works as a desktop client that helps developers interact with coding agents without relying only on terminal commands, making agent-based development more accessible through a GUI. The project runs locally as a native app and is built for developers who want visual control over AI-assisted code tasks and workflows. This helps reduce friction in day-to-day coding operations. Try Multica for a visual coding agent workflow. Project number 3, Mini Coding Agent, Minimal Local Coding Agent in Python. Mini Coding Agent is an open-source Python coding agent designed to clearly explain how modern coding agents work. It runs as a local CLI tool with workspace snapshots, structured tools, approval controls, session persistence, and bounded delegation. The project uses Alama as its model backend and keeps execution local, making it ideal for developers who want to understand the core agent loop in simple, readable code. This is especially useful for learning and experimentation. Run it locally to understand coding agent internals. Project number 4, MathCode, AI coding tool for mathematical problem solving. MathCode is an open-source AI coding framework focused on mathematical reasoning and code generation workflow. It helps developers and researchers work on problems that combine symbolic reasoning, code execution, and model-based math tasks. The project is useful for building systems where code and mathematical logic need to work together in a structured environment. Explore MathCode for AI-assisted math workflow. Let's into building MathCode. Project number 5, DAS AI Hedge Fund, Multi-Agent Trading Research Simulator. AI Hedge Fund is an open-source multi-agent research project that simulates an AI-powered hedge fund workflow. It uses several specialized agents for tasks like valuation, sentiment analysis, and fundamentals research, allowing developers to study how agents collaborate on financial decision-making tasks. The system is designed as an educational proof of concept and runs as a local research environment. This is useful for developers exploring agent collaboration patterns in finance. Try it as a learning environment for multi-agent systems. Project number 6, DONTS Open Agents, Open Framework for Agent Workflows. Open Agents is an open-source framework for building agent-driven workflows and AI applications. It helps developers define agents, connect tools, and manage task execution across multiple steps. The project is designed for modern AI development workflows where agents need to reason, act, and coordinate in real environments. This helps teams move beyond single-prompt applications. Explore open agents for agent-first app development. Project number 7, GenericAgent, Flexible Base Framework for AI Agents. GenericAgent is an open-source framework for building reusable AI agents with flexible workflows. It provides a general structure for task handling, tool calling, and multi-step reasoning so developers can adapt it to different use cases. This makes it useful for teams experimenting with generalized agent architectures. Try it for building reusable agent systems. Project number 8, Kronos, workflow engine for scheduled agent tasks. Kronos is an open-source workflow tool focused on time-based and scheduled task execution for AI systems and developer workflows. It helps developers automate repeated jobs, orchestrate task timing, and manage execution flow in structured pipelines. This is useful for long-running agent operations and recurring automation tasks. Explore Kronos for scheduled AI workflows. Project number 9, MarkItDown, convert documents and files to Markdown. MarkItDown is an open-source Python tool that converts files and Office documents into Markdown. It supports formats such as PDF, Word, PowerPoint, Excel, HTML, images, and audio-related outputs, making it useful for document ingestion and AI-ready text pipelines. The conversion runs locally in Python environments and is especially useful for RAG and document processing workflows. Use it to turn files into clean Markdown for downstream AI tasks. Project number 10, the Agent Skills, reusable skills for AI agents. Agent Skills is an open-source skills framework that lets developers package reusable capabilities for AI agents. Each skill defines instructions, helper files, and executable scripts that agents can load only when needed, reducing context size and improving efficiency. This helps developers build modular and scalable agent systems. Add skills to make your agents more capable. Project number 11. Claude-Mem, persistent memory layer for Claude workflows. Claude-Mem is an open-source memory layer built to give Claude-based workflows persistent memory across sessions. It helps developers store, retrieve, and reuse context so coding and assistant workflows remain consistent over time. This is especially useful for long-running projects and iterative development. Try it to add memory to your Claude workflow. Project number 12, LOGIC.md, declarative reasoning layer for AI agents. LOGIC.md is an open-source specification and developer framework that gives AI agents a portable reasoning layer defined in YAML instead of hard-coded logic. It works as a framework-agnostic file format for declaring how an agent thinks through step graphs, contracts, quality gates, fallback rules, and multi-agent handoffs. The system sits between agent identity, tools, and protocols, helping agents produce structured outputs instead of intent-only responses. It integrates with agent frameworks, SDKs, and workflow tools while keeping logic portable across stacks. This matters for developers building reliable agent pipelines that need consistent reasoning behavior. Try LOGIC.md in your next agent workflow. LOGIC.md in your next agent workflow. Project number 13, Libretto, framework for structured healthcare AI workflows. Libretto is an open-source framework designed for structured healthcare and clinical AI workflows. It helps developers organize task pipelines, data processing, and agent actions in medical and health-related applications. This is useful for teams building domain-specific AI systems in healthcare. Explore Libretto for clinical AI workflow design. Project number 14, PureMac, native macOS developer utility toolkit. PureMac is an open-source macOS-focused developer toolkit that helps streamline local workflows and desktop automation tasks. It is designed for developers working in native Apple environments who need lightweight tools and utilities for productivity. Try it in your macOS setup. Project number 15, Skwd-wall, Developer Productivity Dashboard Wall. Skwd-wall is an open-source visual dashboard tool designed to display development workflow data and system activity in a wall-style layout. It helps teams monitor tasks, workflows, and project signals in a persistent visual space. This is useful for engineering teams managing active workflows. Explore it for workspace visibility. What do wall let it ping for the Mari. Project number 16, IX Persistent System Memory for Codebases. IX is an open-source CLI and system intelligence tool that helps developers and AI agents understand any codebase through a persistent, structured system map. It works by parsing a repository into a versioned knowledge graph, storing symbols, relationships, dependencies, and system boundaries so both humans and LLMs can query it across sessions. Developers can run commands like ixmap, ixsearch, ixtrace, and ximpact locally, with data staying on their own machine. This matters for teams working with large codebases where context and architecture understanding compound over time. Try IX on your repository and turn your codebase into living memory. Project number 17, Loophole. Lightweight Workflow Automation Tool. Loophole is an open-source workflow automation tool built for developers who need lightweight task routing and execution loops. It helps structure repeatable task flows and local automation pipelines. This is useful for simple automation systems. Explore Loophole for lightweight workflow design. Loman ating wine berkursta. Project number 18, Three-Man Team Multi-Agent Collaboration Framework. Three-Man Team is an open-source framework that models collaboration between multiple AI agents working on shared tasks. It helps developers test how role-based agents coordinate and exchange outputs in structured workflows. This is useful for studying collaborative reasoning systems. Try it for multi-agent experiments. Olnixo. Project number 19, revdiff Revision-Aware Diff Comparison Tool. revdiff is an open-source developer tool for comparing revisions and code differences across versions. It helps engineers inspect changes more clearly during code review and repository analysis workflows. This is especially useful for large code changes and version comparison tasks. Use it to improve revision diff analysis. Project number 20, sage-wiki. Lightweight wiki for structured knowledge workflows. Sage-wiki is an open-source lightweight wiki system designed for organizing structured knowledge and documentation workflows. It helps teams maintain internal knowledge bases and project documentation in a searchable format. This is useful for engineering teams and research workflows. Try it for internal knowledge sharing. Thanks for watching. See you in the next weekly DevTool update.